Hey guys, Panda Project here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the car up. We've got it up for a few reasons. This video is going to be about the alternator belt. We're going to swap it over, make sure it's all tightened up, tension set right, and good to go. The alternator belt on the 169 is just to the left at the back. See it there. We're going to pop the wheel off, make it a bit easier to see. Once the wheel's off, we're going to remove this covering. Once they're undone, we can move this panel down. Allows us to see the belt. Now we're going to come back into the engine bay. We're going to pay attention to 3 bolts. This one here, this one at the top, and there's one just there. These are for the alternator. You need to loosen off the alternator to get the belt off. If you notice on each 3 of the points, well at least 2 of the points, they have rails that allow you to adjust the tension of the belt. So we're going to undo them 3 now and get the old belt off. The top bolt does have a bolt on the back as well, so the tip is to get an angle bar, feed that around the back. And onto it there. Now the alternator is loosened, we can pull it forward, which will loosen off the belt and allow us to swap it over. You want to take your knee belt, pop it over. Now at this point you want to be pushing the alternator back as you tighten the bolts up, these 2 mainly, and that'll keep your tension on your belt. Once that's done, you can pop the air filter back on and pop the covering on. Pop the wheel back on. Don't forget to torque your wheels when they're down. Always double check. And that's one alternator done, nice and easy. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers guys.